Hello everyone, and welcome to today's YouTube video on sustainable waste-free events. I'm excited to share some fantastic tips and ideas for hosting eco-friendly gatherings that promote waste reduction, plastic-free catering, and the use of renewable energy sources. Whether you're planning a small party, a corporate event, or a large celebration, these strategies will help you minimize your environmental footprint and create a positive impact on the planet. So let's dive in. The first step in organizing a sustainable event is to focus on waste reduction. One way to achieve this is by going digital for invitations, registrations, and event information. Embrace technology and use platforms like email and social media to send out invitations and updates instead of printed materials. Not only will this save trees, but it also simplifies communication with your guests. Another essential waste reduction strategy is implementing a recycling and composting system. Set up clearly labeled recycling and compost bins throughout the event venue, making it easy for attendees to dispose of their waste responsibly. Educate your guests on what items can be recycled or composted, as this will help reduce contamination. Next up, let's talk about plastic-free catering, a significant aspect of hosting a sustainable event. Avoid single-use plastics like straws, cutlery, and water bottles by using biodegradable or compostable alternatives. Opt for reusable or compostable plates and utensils made from materials like bamboo, sugarcane, or cornstarch. Support local businesses that share your eco-conscious values. Collaborate with caterers who use sustainable practices, source locally, and avoid excessive packaging. Encourage guests to bring their reusable water bottles and provide water refill stations throughout the venue. Now, let's move on to utilizing renewable energy sources at your event. If possible, choose a venue that is powered by renewable energy or can accommodate solar panels or wind turbines. Renewable energy helps reduce greenhouse gas emissions and demonstrates your commitment to sustainability. Additionally, consider reducing energy consumption by using LED lighting and energy-efficient appliances throughout the event. Turn off equipment when not in use and utilize natural lighting whenever possible. These small steps can significantly contribute to a greener event. Another critical aspect of sustainable events is minimizing food waste. Plan your catering carefully to avoid overordering and ensure that excess food is donated to local food banks or composted. Encourage guests to take only what they need and provide reusable containers for them to take leftovers home. Make an effort to serve locally sourced, seasonal, and plant-based foods. This not only reduces the carbon footprint associated with transporting and producing food but also caters to various dietary preferences. Transportation is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, so consider ways to minimize its impact on your event. Encourage carpooling or provide incentives for attendees who use public transportation or bike to the venue. If possible, host the event in a central location to make it more accessible. You can also consider carbon offsetting to counterbalance any unavoidable emissions from transportation or energy use. Invest in renewable energy projects or reforestation initiatives to offset the event's carbon footprint. In conclusion, hosting sustainable waste-free events is not only achievable but also crucial for promoting a greener future. By incorporating waste reduction strategies, opting for plastic-free catering, utilizing renewable energy sources, minimizing food waste, and considering transportation alternatives, you can create a positive impact on the environment. Let's take this opportunity to set an example and inspire others to follow suit. Together, we can make a significant difference and contribute to a healthier, more sustainable planet. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these tips and ideas helpful for planning your next eco-friendly event. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on sustainable living and environmental conservation. Until next time, let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Happy event planning!